Hi everybody, welcome back. Right, it's finally set up. The TYS Toys 1/6 scale gantry for the Mark 6. As you see, it's all lit up. And we will go into this further and I'll show you some of the little problems and knickknacks that you might have. But it's easy set up. But I just want to apologise. In my last video of this, the unboxing, I did actually say the parts were made of metal. Well, they're not. It's a very hard resin. So with that being saying that, that means none of these parts actually move. But let's go into detail. Right, now this is it. As you see, you got the lights around, but the detail on it is actually very good. It's very easy to set up. In fact, if I can do it, anyone can do it. But each piece, there's a few bits that are magnetised like this. But they all got their set places because the magnets won't line up with any of the others. So it's very easy to spot. Okay, right, now actually setting it up. Okay, now as we take this off, as you see, it's a very basic, simple design. Even the lights are. It's all just 2 batteries and a light switch. Now, if you have a look at this, now let me actually just take one of these pillars down. Hold on. There we go. What it is, you've got these rivets. You actually put them through the other side. On the other side of these rivets itself are plastic bits. So it stops the whole thing moving. Not that it's going to move anyway because it is very heavy. But what you've done, you've got, I don't know whether you can actually see it, but each one of these is actually numbered. See, 4, 3, and each pillar is numbered as well. Very big numbers, so you can't miss out. You can't put anything really wrong. My only little bit of a gripe, I suppose, I mean this layout here for these, they're actually tucked inside. So when you put the pillar in, yeah, and then you screw it up, make sure you put the wires over the top so the bulbs can be shining towards here. It is only a battery with the switch, but Steve Webber from IC Custom will be coming down here soon to do some measurements on a job that he's been working on, and he will be showing me the quick and easy way that I can have this wired up to my remote control. When he said it's going to be really easy to do, so when he shows me and I'll do it, then I'll actually put a video out if anyone else wants to actually do the same. So it's just as simple. If you have a look here, I've got another pillar, and the pillar goes in. Then what you do is you just screw it up, and then it just tightens up. That actually just goes into place. But like I said, it's all resin, so this base is very heavy, and plus all these parts, but the detail on it is just amazing. The only other thing that I will say is the arms, such as this one, they come out. This one's got the tool on it, the actual screwdriver where there will the arms. All it is just magnetised. They don't actually even move. But that's one of the, well, it's not even on the magnet part. That's it. So they don't even move. So really what you're actually paying for here is really just a big diorama stand. So if you're looking for moving parts, then this isn't the one. When I actually said on my unboxing video it comes with remote control, I was wrong, because I was thinking of the plastic one you get through the 1/9 scale of King Arts one. It had a remote control, but you could move all the parts. But I must admit, if I had to display it, this is exactly how I'd want to display it. So yes, I'm more or less happy with it. Some little QC issue that I have actually noticed is that, as you know, it's deep black inside there, but it did a little, some of their paintwork did come over, so I'm going to cover that. But other than that, it's really quite good. It's really well done, and for the price is really good. The only thing that's knocks it out is the actual shipping, but the weight is 9 kg, as I say, so it's very heavy coming through the shipping. So the point is, I've got it now. If I know now what it's all like and everything, would I actually get it? Yes, me personally, I would. I absolutely love it. But if you're one of these ones that wants to look to different ways you can move it and everything else, then it's really not for you. I think you really have to be an Iron Man lover on this sort of thing. But it is a good design, and I actually really like it. But you can see more detail. The detail in it is actually really good, and I must admit, when it's actually in the display case, as I showed you, it does look quite impressive. I might be trying to do an own display for it, but at the moment it can sit in that glass shelf. But it won't fit in the DTOF, I'm telling that now. It's in my double display cabinets, as you see here, and even that glass shelf bends a little bit because that's how heavy it is. I might just I've got a spare shelf, so I might put another one just underneath it. But it is really cool. And then of course with the lights, it really shines up nice. Now you can put any Iron Man in there really. I've obviously put the Mark 6, but someone did suggest to me to put the Mark 5 in, and it looked really good, so I'll give that one a go. Right, so I'll just put it back in the display case, and there you go. And I've got the Mark 5, and I must admit the Mark 5 does stand out in this. It actually looks quite awesome. So there you have it. That's the 1/6 scale TYS Toys Gantry. Like I said, if you actually want to look into getting, the only people that I know, the company that I know sell, unless anyone else knows better, is KG Hobby. They're based in Hong Kong. It costs about 120, but with the shipping to England is £82. So you're looking at just around about just over 200 quid, which is quite a bit of money. But like I said, what's really knocked that price up is the shipping. But anyway, so I will be doing an update very soon on the Justice League display. I'm just waiting for the something to come through the post. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this makes up your mind whether you actually want to get one. I think they are limited, so get your order in while you can. Okay, thank you.